Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Zainab Al-Sadiq. In this lesson, I will show you how to use the word should correctly in English. First of all, should is what's called mode of verb. What does it mean? It just means helping verb, and that means we can't use the word should by itself. For example, I should do my homework. We can't say I should my homework. We have to use it as helper with another verb. So, should is used for giving advice and isn't as strong as have to. For example, you should stop smoking. Another example, you shouldn't eat so much rice. I will teach you the positive, negative question with the short answers. So let's start with the positive, how we can make a positive sentence. You should start with I, you, he, she, we, they with should. Example, you should do more exercise. If you are going to make a negative, you will use I, you, he, she, we, they with shouldn't. Example, he shouldn't eat fast food. And if you are going to make a question, you should start your question with should. Should I, you, he, she, we, they. Example, should you ask her for help? And the short answers will be yes, I, you, he, she, we, they should, or no, I, you, he, she, we, they shouldn't. That's everything for today, and I hope it was useful. I hope to see you very, very soon in another lesson. Thank you for all of you, and bye-bye.